everyone, this is Emma with the Software Training Lab, and today we are going over working with raw images in Photoshop. Raw images are created from a certain way of shooting photos on a DSLR camera. It allows more information into the camera so that you have more to work with when editing. The file types are usually NEF, or if you're on a Canon, CRW. When you've shot in RAW, you can just go to the file and open it in Photoshop by double-clicking it. If you want to work in bulk for all your raw images, Lightroom would be a better option, but for individual images, it works well in Photoshop. When you open it, it will have a separate screen where you can do all the raw image edits first, before you do your normal type of edits. In this panel, you have a lot of different options. All of it works similar to other tools. You just have more specific control here. Once you've made all the edits, go down to the bottom right and click on the arrow next to Open. You'll want to open it as an object. This will allow you to come back to that screen and make adjustments. It puts a little indicator on your image, and you can just double click on that little icon and it will open that editing screen back up. That's everything for working with raw images. Thanks for watching.